I'll do it, people. I'll jump. I jump. I can't live with myself anymore.
Denied.
Oh. Well, that failed. I can't live with myself anymore. Nailed her. Fucking runway model, man. Oh, can you please leave me out your sex life details? Oh shit, sorry. Wrong window. Lol. What the fuck, mate? No, what? You got with a runway model. Let's see you. You? What the fuck? You? Nah, I'm not having any of that. I mean, I actually can't open that door. I am stuck in here. What the fuck? I am actually legit stuck. Let me out. Let me out. Let me out. Fuck. I am actually... Oh, shit. Let's see what you're saying. Sexy, pregnant slut pics. Oh, shit. What? Sorry, dear. I love you. Oh, shit. Shit's going down. Come home. We're going to have a talk. Oh, my man. My man. I feel sorry for you. I feel sorry for you. You're going to have the talk. What the fuck? I mean, you are wearing leopard print trousers. So, kind of makes sense that you are an asshole. But I feel sorry for you, my man. I mean, I could put you out your misery if you want. I could. Or I could actually put you out your misery. Oh, I'm gonna have to do it, mate. I'm sorry. Trust me, it's better than what's waiting at home.
Headshot.
I will come out. If you... Oh shit. Okay, he's let me out. Thank you, mate. Oh fuck. I'm just dancing. Just dancing. I'm not in the area. I'm not doing anything, mate. I'm not. Hey, hey, hey. Just dancing. Look.
You wanna come at me, huh?
Alright.
Back off. This area is off limits.
Please take me, Lord.
Not so funny now, is it?
What the fuck? I'm just being.
Oh, man.
Alright, alright,
Down you
alright.
go.
Ow!
Boy, that escalated quickly.
Just calm down.
Calm down, alright?
There you go. Calm down, mate. Fucking calm
Thanks for
down.
coming out.
Ow! Alright, I'm gonna step in your area. See? I'm gonna step in your area. See? I'm crossing. I'm going. I'm going.
You mad, bro?
There you go. Fuck. 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 Fuck.
Denied.
Ow. How the fuck did you survive, mate? How the fuck did you survive? What are you doing now? Mate, what are you gonna do? What the fuck are you doing? I mean, you're so high that you're fucking running it. What are you doing, mate? I've got a gun at you. What are you gonna do? What are you doing? Are you okay? Fucking, this guy's doing the Running Man challenge or something. What the fuck is he doing? Mate, fucking slow down.